all ADFIAP members and colleagues in the industry, ladies and gentlemen, we bring you greetings from Manila with our fervent hope that you and your family are well and safe, and that your country is on its way towards swift recovery. We've heard from the other speakers their experiences in addressing the impacts of the pandemic, as well as strategies to move forward under the new normal. We each have unique experiences, but resiliency has been the common response, along with a resolute drive to rise above this adversity. Let me also share with you some of what the Land Bank of the Philippines has undertaken in addressing the challenges of delivering our products and services under a pandemic scenario that limited mobility, along with other restrictions. As the largest government financial institution, Land Bank has been at the front lines, providing uninterrupted financial services and delivering much-needed financial support interventions to the vulnerable sectors since last year. This expanded role is on top of our regular operations, amidst all the difficulties and health threats. I will limit my short presentation to 3 innovative solutions and programs which I hope will also be of help to ADFIAP member DFIs that may have faced similar challenges and are on the lookout for ideas. One of the big strides we've taken is to accelerate our journey towards digital transformation in order to expand our reach, channels, and platforms to enhance service delivery. As a consequence of the pandemic, mobility restrictions have prompted customers to use digital payments, which led to a massive increase in the usage of our major electronic banking channels. Combined transactions facilitated through our various electronic and digital channels for the first half of the year grew by 11% and 68% in terms of volume of transactions and value. The shift in the use of these channels is carving a new path for Land Bank, driven by the growing and varied needs not only of individual customers but of companies, local government units, and other entities that have requirements for online payment of fees, dues, and other obligations. It has made payment and other cashless ways of doing transactions safer, easier, and more convenient. Despite the restrictions, customers are also able to open their Land Bank savings account through our mobile banking application without the need to go to a physical branch, and in a matter of minutes, anytime and any place where there is internet. Another major step in Land Bank's digitalization thrust is the transformation of one of our subsidiaries, the Overseas Filipino Bank, into a digital-only branchless bank, anchored on the primary goal of delivering and addressing the banking needs of overseas Filipinos and their families. This innovation, in particular, is aimed at expanding the reach of banking products and services to overseas Filipino workers, or OFWs, to enable them to open their bank accounts, send money to their beneficiaries, pay bills, and more importantly, save their hard-earned income. The OF Bank is now serving Filipinos in over 100 countries. All these milestones reinforced our ultimate goal of effectively integrate digital technology into all aspects of our operations in order to deliver greater value to our customers and to better perform the bank's unique role in serving the nation. The second item is an initiative which we undertook to intensify support to the government's financial inclusion priority thrust, the LANDBANK Agent Banking Program. Agent banking is a strategy adopted by LANDBANK to reach unbanked municipalities. Through this program, we initiate partnerships with cooperatives, associations, rural banks, local government units, and small and medium enterprises to help provide basic banking services to unserved Filipinos. Since its full implementation in March 2020, LANDBANK has certified 162 agent banking partners, which are operating in 45 previously unbanked municipalities and 131 other communities. Agent banking partners offer the services as shown on the screen. As of September 2021, LANDBANK's agent banking program has generated 3.36 million volume of transactions, mostly cash out and cash in transactions, which amounted to a total of 6.06 billion pesos. Clearly, the substantial volume of transactions through these agent banking partners is a proof that local economies can thrive and flourish even faster if financial channels are accessible. The benefits of agent banking in unbanked and underserved communities are far-reaching, especially for the beneficiaries who are provided with cost-effective, convenient, and secure banking service. The third major strategy that I want to share is LANDBANK's Colocation with the Philippine Statistics Authority for the Philippine ID System or PhilSys project rollouts. Under a colocation strategy, LANDBANK is onboarding unbanked registrants for the national ID by providing them with transaction accounts, which they can use for cash in and cash out and fund transfers. As of September 2021, LANDBANK has onboarded 5.59 million or 45% of the 12.32 million PhilSys registrants from more than 1,000 sites. By banking the unbanked, LANDBANK enables government cash grants and pensions to be credited directly to their accounts and provides opportunities to save, invest, and avail of affordable credit, leading towards their financial independence. Under this colocation strategy, LANDBANK's goal is to open accounts for 13.5 million low-income unbanked registrants of the Philippine ID system, thereby significantly accelerating financial inclusion. So in closing, let me recap as your takeaway the highlights of the 3 innovative programs which I shared with you. 1. Digital transformation is the way forward to provide safer, faster, and more convenient service to customers. 2. Collaboration through agent banking can expand reach to unbanked and underserved communities. And 3. Bringing the previously unbanked into the financial system is critical to make development truly inclusive and accessible to all. Thank you for your kind attention. As we say in the Philippines, mabuhay po kayong lahat.